Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In this video, we'll explore the 20 best long-term dividend stocks, according to ChatGPT, as well as some key factors you should consider before becoming a successful investor. So before we start, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. When selecting dividend stocks for the long term, it's important to look for companies with a solid financial foundation and a history of paying consistent and growing dividends. Let's take a look at some factors you may want to consider when investing in dividend stocks. Financial stability. Look for companies that have strong financials, low debt levels, and a healthy cash flow. These companies are better equipped to weather market downturns and economic challenges. Dividend yield. A high dividend yield alone doesn't necessarily mean that a stock is a good investment, but it can be an important factor to consider. Generally, a dividend yield of 2 to 4% is considered healthy, but some investors may prefer higher yields depending on their investment goals. Dividend growth. Look for companies that have a track record of increasing their dividend payouts consistently over time. These companies often have strong fundamentals and a solid growth outlook. Market performance. Consider the overall market performance and trends of the industry or sector in which the company operates. Companies that operate in industries with stable or growing demand are more likely to be reliable dividend payers. Management. Evaluate the management team of the company to ensure that they have a strong track record of making sound business decisions and prioritizing shareholder value. These are important factors for investors to consider when investing in dividend stocks. Now let's review our list of the 20 best long-term dividend stocks according to ChatGPT. Number 20. Verizon Communications Incorporated, ticker, VZ. Verizon is a telecommunications company that provides wireless and fixed-line communication services. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 15 consecutive years. VZ's strong network infrastructure, diversified product portfolio, and focus on innovation are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 19. McDonald's Corporation, ticker, MCD. McDonald's Corporation is a global fast food chain that operates in over 100 countries and owns well-known brands such as Big Mac and McChicken. The company has been paying dividends for over 40 years and has increased its dividend payout for 44 consecutive years. Regardless of the state of the economy, McDonald's strong brand recognition, global footprint, and emphasis on innovation are factors that could support long-term growth for investors. Number 18. PepsiCo Incorporated, ticker, PEP. PepsiCo is a food and beverage company that owns brands such as Pepsi, Frito-Lay, and Quaker Oats. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 49 consecutive years. Pep's diversified product portfolio, global reach, and focus on innovation are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 17. Target Corporation, ticker, TGT. Target Corporation is a retail company that offers a range of products, including groceries, clothing, and electronics. TGT has a history of consistent dividend payments and has a current dividend yield of around 1.5%. Number 16. The Prologis Incorporated, ticker, PLD. Prologis is a real estate investment trust, or REIT that focuses on logistics and warehouse properties. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 10 consecutive years. PLD's diversified portfolio of properties, strategic location, and focus on sustainability are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 15. Visa Incorporated, ticker, V. Visa Incorporated is a global financial services company that helps people, businesses, and governments send and receive money electronically. Visa is one of the world's largest payment networks, processing more than 200 billion transactions annually across more than 200 countries and territories. Visa makes money by charging fees for transactions that go through its network. These fees include interchange fees, fees for processing data, and fees for other services. Visa has a strong financial position, with a market capitalization of around $500 billion as of March 2023. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 13 consecutive years. Visa's current dividend yield is around 0.6%. Number 14. Texas Instruments Incorporated, ticker, TXN. Texas Instruments is a technology company that designs and manufactures semiconductors. TXN has a history of consistent dividend payments and has a current dividend yield of around 2.3%. Number 13. NextEra Energy Incorporated, ticker, NEE. NextEra Energy is an electric utility that generates electricity from renewable sources such as wind and solar. NEE has a history of consistent dividend payments and has a current dividend yield of around 2.3%. Number 12. Honeywell International Incorporated, ticker, HON. Honeywell International Incorporated is a technology and manufacturing company that produces aerospace, building, and safety products. Honeywell has a history of consistent dividend payments and has a current dividend yield of around 1.9%. Number 11. Microsoft Corporation, ticker, MSFT. Microsoft Corporation is a technology company that develops software and hardware products. Microsoft has a history of consistent dividend payments and has a current dividend yield of around 0.8%. Number 10. Johnson Controls International plc, ticker, JCI. Johnson Controls International is a global diversified technology and industrial company that works in building and energy management solutions, automotive seating, and batteries. JCI has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 10 consecutive years. The current dividend yield of JCI is around 1.7%. Number 9. Pfizer Incorporated, ticker, PFE. Pfizer is a biopharmaceutical company that makes prescription drugs for a wide range of health problems. Pfizer has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 11 consecutive years. The current dividend yield of Pfizer is around 3.7%. Number 8. AbbVie Incorporated, ticker, ABBV. The biopharmaceutical company AbbVie Incorporated focuses on making drugs for immunology, oncology, and virology. ABBV has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 9 consecutive years. The current dividend yield of ABBV is around 4.4%. Number 7. Realty Income Corporation, ticker, O. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust or REIT that specializes in owning and operating retail and commercial properties in the United States. Realty Income is known as the monthly dividend company as it pays monthly dividends and has a history of consistent dividend payments. The current dividend yield of Realty Income is around 4.1%. Number 6. JP Morgan Chase & Company, ticker, JPM. JP Morgan Chase is a global company that offers services in banking, investments, and wealth management. JP Morgan Chase has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 11 consecutive years. The current dividend yield of JP Morgan Chase is around 2.7%. Number 5. Procter & Gamble, ticker, PG. P&G is a consumer goods company that owns well-known brands such as Tide, Crest, and Pampers. The company has a long history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 65 consecutive years. P&G's diversified product portfolio, global footprint, and focus on innovation are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 4. Exxon Mobil, ticker, XOM. Exxon Mobil is an oil and gas company that operates in over 70 countries and has a diversified business model that includes upstream, downstream, and chemical operations. The company has been paying dividends since 1882 and has increased its dividend payout for 38 consecutive years. Exxon Mobil's diverse business operations, strong brand recognition, and focus on innovation are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 3. CocaCola, ticker, KO. CocaCola is a beverage company that operates in over 200 countries and owns well-known brands such as Coca-Cola, Sprite, and Fanta. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 59 consecutive years. Coca-Cola's strong brand portfolio, global reach, and focus on innovation are some of the factors that could support long-term growth. Number 2. Johnson & Johnson, ticker, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a global healthcare company that works in 3 areas: pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. The company has a strong history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 59 consecutive years. J&J also has a wide range of products, which gives it some protection against market changes. The company also has a strong research and development pipeline, which could help it grow in the long run. Number 1. Lowe's, ticker, LOW. Lowe's is a home improvement retailer that operates more than 2,200 stores across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The company sells a wide range of products for home improvement, including appliances, tools, hardware, paint, and home decor. Lowe's also provides installation and repair services for various home improvement products. The company has a strong financial position, with a market capitalization of around $160 billion as of March 2023. The company has a history of consistent dividend payments and has increased its dividend payout for 59 consecutive years. Lowe's current dividend yield is around 1.4%. This concludes our list of the 20 best long-term dividend stocks to buy now according to ChatGPT. As always, it is essential to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned cash to buy stocks or invest in the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.